Here is part C of this. R is equal to 3 sine theta. We're going to use a similar strategy. Multiply both sides with R. That's going to make left side R square and the right side 3R sine theta. Now we know R square is equal to x square plus y square. So the left hand side can be written as x square plus y square. We also know that r sine theta is y. So 3y. We have your Cartesian equation here. Only thing left to write this in a way such that we can recognize what the curve is. So x square plus y square minus 3y equal to 0. So first thing I did is subtract 3y on both sides. Now I'm going to look at the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. I'm going to divide that by 2. So 3 by 2. I'm going to square it on both sides. What did I get? 9 by 4. So I'm going to add 9 by 4 on both sides of the equation. We can collect all these terms to say this looks like x square plus this whole part is y minus, this is 9 by 4, 3 by 2 whole square equal to, this is 3 by 2 whole square. Do you guys remember our equation? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square, which is a circle with center at a, b and radius equal to r. So compare our equation with this. What do we get? This one is circle with center at, in place of b we have 3 by 2, in place of a we don't have anything, that's 0. So that means center is 0, 3 by 2 and radius is equal to 3 by 2 from the right hand side comparison. Okay, so we figured out what our answer is, what kind of curve it is. It's a circle with center at 0, 3 by 2 and radius 3 by 2. If they ask you to draw it, you can draw it on a graphical grid. This is x-axis and y-axis. We have center at 0, 3 by 2. Let's say this is 1, this is 2. 0, 3 by 2 would be somewhere here. That's my center. And the radius is 3 by 2. So that much is the radius. This is my circle touching origin and center at 0, 3 by 2. Let's work on the last one. It's r is equal to 4 secant theta. Now we don't have any polar equation in that format, so I'm going to write secant theta as reciprocal of cosine theta. I can multiply both sides by cosine theta and I'll get that. Now you see r cosine theta is equal to x. So basically this equation is equal to x by 4. That is your Cartesian equation. Now you guys remember, if we have x is equal to a constant in geometry, that equation is a vertical line passing through A0. So that means here we have our x-axis, y-axis. This equation, somewhere we have 4 on x-axis, 4, 0. So the graph of this equation is your vertical line passing through 4, 0 point. This red line is the graph of the polar equation, x equal to 4. You can always confirm your Results by checking it on desmos.com. R is equal to 4 secant theta. That's the vertical line passing through 4,0. So you can check that point is 4,0. Okay. That is what we figured out.